Be honest for a second. How many times have you gone to school and realized you forgot the one thing you actually needed? Like your bag is full, but somehow there's no pen. Your lips are dry, but no lip balm. You need something urgently, and you're just sitting there suffering. And the worst part? Your bag is still heavy for no reason. Yeah, we need to fix that. So today, I'm showing you the actual school bag essentials for girls. Not random stuff, not Pinterest perfect things, just real, practical, confidence-saving essentials that will literally save your school day. Part 1. Study essentials. Let's start with the basics, but smarter. First, only carry what you actually need for the day, not every book you own. Your back deserves respect. Essentials. Subject-wise notebooks, required textbooks only, a well-organized pencil case. Inside your pencil case, 2 to 3 pens, because one will stop working at the worst time, pencil plus eraser, highlighter for important notes, correction pen for quick fixes, and honestly, cute stationery doesn't just look good, it actually makes you want to study more. Part 2. Emergency and hygiene kit. Now this is the real glow-up part. If you have this, you'll never panic in school again. Take a small pouch. Inside keep hand sanitizer, tissues, lip balm, mini perfume/body mist, Band-Aid. Because random situations happen, and you don't want to be unprepared. Now listen carefully, this is important. Always keep hair tie or clip, safety pins, pads. Even if you don't need them, someone else will. And when you help someone in that moment, you instantly become that reliable, kind girl everyone respects. Part 3. Look fresh, not extra. You don't need makeup for school. Relax. But a few small things help. Lip balm or gloss, compact powder if your skin gets oily, a small mirror. Because, let's be honest, we all check our face during breaks. It's not about looking perfect, it's about feeling put together. Part 4. Food and energy. Never skip this. Always keep a small snack, fruit, biscuits, or chocolate, a water bottle, because being hungry in class, that's the fastest way to lose focus and mood. Stay fueled, stay focused. Part 5. Tech and extras. If your school allows. Phone. Keep it on silent, please. Earphones, power bank. Optional, but useful. Extra items that make a difference. Small diary. For thoughts, ideas, or random notes. Sticky notes. For quick reminders. These little things help you stay organized and mentally prepared. So yeah, that's your real school bag essentials. Not too much, not too aesthetic, not too extra. Just smart. Just real. Because at the end of the day, it's not about having a perfect bag. It's about being prepared and feeling confident in your own way. So next time you pack your bag, remember this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment below, what's one thing you can't go to school without? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!